Hello everyone, hope you're doing good. This is Amin from Kodegems, and today I'm going to show you how you can create an effective Google Ads campaign to promote your YouTube video. But before, if you are new to my channel, please subscribe it and hit the bell icon so you can never miss any video by Kodegems. So straight away we will go towards the Google Ads. So I will click over here, get more customers with easy online. So here you can see we have the Google Ads website over here. From this perspective, from this tool, we can promote our brands, we can promote our online stores, we can promote anything that we want. We can go and we can let our store to advertise in any place of the world. We can do the target specific marketing as well, and there are lots of types available. So right now I will go to the sign in. So it's already signed in with my default username, or you can see a default email. So I will switch with my primary email address. So here you can see previously I created a number of campaigns, so we have lots of data over here for everyone. So right now I will start straight away to create a new campaign, so you can see how you can create and promote YouTube videos with this campaign. So right now you can see in front of your screen we have 8 types of goals. So what we have to do with our products. Right now I am using my YouTube videos, so I will straight away go to the create a campaign with our goal guidance. Use any available campaign type and construct a campaign step by step with our goals recommendation. If I click and use this kind of campaign, so I am able to classify countries and types and videos and keywords, so I can target specific and relevant people from YouTube. So I will create and click over here. So right now we have 8 categories, or you can say 8 sub campaign types. So I will click to video because I am using my video to promote, and I will select this custom video campaign so I can set my own target from around the world. I will go to continue. Here you can see we have first of all we have a campaign name, so give any name to your campaign promotion, and this is called the bid strategy. So in my country I have only maximum CPV and target CPV as target CPM. So if you can see different, if you are from the different zone or you are from the different country, so you can see different types available over here. Right now we have to select maximum CPV, cost per view. Whenever a person views your profile, your YouTube video, you will get charged. So this is the most effective maximum CPV campaign. So we are not going to have this target CPM because it says with target CPM, cost per 1,000 impressions, you set the average amount you're willing to pay for every 1,000 times your ad is shown. From the target CPM you set, we'll optimize bids to help get as much uniques such as possible. Some impression may cost more or less than your target. So whenever a person, it is very important point that no person will view your video. Whenever a person will see the impression of your YouTube video, you will be charged. For example, if I go over here and select this tutorial, and okay, so this is the impression that are coming in white section of the YouTube. So if anyone of the person, if anyone of the from the viewer will see this YouTube impression, you will get charged. So we will not select this one, we will select CPV. We need everyone to view our video, so I will select this one. And if I go over here, so we have a campaign total over here, and we have a daily total over here. So what is the daily and campaign total? So if I select this daily and give some rupees over here, like 100 rupees, so only around 100, 105, 95, 110 rupees will be charged per day. So it is up to you. So if you want to run a campaign on daily basis, or you want to set a budget on daily basis, or you can set a campaign total to 100, or you can say you can make it around 1000 rupees, and from here you can select the start and the end date of that campaign. So most of the time I go towards over here and select the day campaign, and initially I set around 100 rupees per day to be charged from this Google Ads. So this is my technique, and I will check time by time if my visitors are coming on the videos or not, so I can increase this daily budget as well. So on the extreme right of your screen, you can see over here we have weekly estimates, and from the data that we are inputting in these field, and the estimates are coming over here. So you can see from this budget, based on your campaign settings but not your budget or bid, the YouTube impressions can be 10 billions. So right now we have set up the daily budget to 100 rupees. Now second thing is networks. So for the effective campaign, you have to unselect video partners on the display and keep selected these options. Locations, right now I have number of countries over here, so I want to remove it and want to target this video in India, because India, Pakistan, Bangladesh, Sri Lanka are those countries from where we can get the lowest CPV. United States and Australia and England have an increased amount of CPV. So right now we are not going to spend too much on the ads. We will just trying, and this is our initial step to have the effective campaign. So I will select India right now. This is default in English because I always make videos in English. So if you're making videos in Urdu or Hindi or any other language, so you can select over here, and if you type, so default language will become whatever you want. So English, I will remain this one as it is. Inventory type. So guys, we have to understand what are these kind of what are the inventory type. Right now we have recommended standard inventory. This shows that your video will show certain in specific areas in specific video categories. Limited inventory will exclude most types of sensitive content and limit your available inventory. So right now we have to have the most view on our video. So what we will gonna select, we will select this inventory type, expanded inventory, and what it says, maximize available inventory by showing ads on some sensitive content. So as you know, our ultimate goal is to take the views, so we will definitely use this one, expanded inventory. So wherever our video goes and whoever watches our video, so we just wanted the views, so we will select expanded inventory, and this is exclude types and labels. So we will select this one, embed YouTube videos, live streaming, and uncheck content not yet labeled. Now related videos, we will come over here after some time when we will select my video, and if we have the additional settings, conversions, remain as it is, devices, yes, select the devices and set the specific targeting for device. So guys, if you want to take more views on your video, so you have to uncheck TV, tablets and computers. From mobile phones you will have more views on your video, so I will uncheck all TV, tablets and computers and only check mobile phones. Frequency capping, limit how many times that ads in the campaign can show to the same user. So we do not want to show our ads again and again to one user. So impression frequency will be, I will set 1 impressions cap, and I will make it to per week and leave this one as it is. Schedule all day, and if you want to give an ad group name, my ad group, demographics, these are the gender, age, parental status, household income. We will select all of these and do not touch any of these checks. Any audiences, you have to select if your video is targeting to the specific areas, to the specific people, so you can select these categories. So this only software people or only the cloud service category people will see your videos. So right now I will not check any of these types and go over here. So now we have keywords. So if I want to promote my videos to the certain keywords, so I have to put my video over here, and then I will see what kind of available keywords are here. So I'll go over here and go to my channel and go to my YouTube studio and go to content, and I will select this video for promotion. I will select a get shareable link and copy over here, enter. So right now this video is not showing any keyword, so we will remain this section as it is. And go for the topics will remain same. Any placement, the placement will be remain same. And this is the maximum CPV bid. What is maximum CPV bid? Your maximum CPV, cost per view bid, is the highest amount that you are willing to pay for someone to view your video. So whenever person will see your videos, so how much amount that you want to pay. Right now I will start with 1 rupee, or you can say I will make it around 2 rupees. So this is the maximum amount that I will be giving to the people who will watch our videos. In fact, not giving to the people, I will be spending in Google AdSense. But now I will paste my video over here. You can see over here we have video discovery ad and skippable stream ad. So I will select video discovery ad, and here you can see we have to give some headline. These headlines should be catchy and most attractive to the viewers, so more and more people can click on your video. Upwork spelling, Upwork readiness test clear 100%. Freelance jobs on Upwork. Subscribe. And I will give the name to the ad name, profile promotion. So this section is telling you how your ad will gonna look when a person will view on his mobile. So in mobile it will look like this, and in the laptops or computer screens we will have this Upwork readiness test clear 100%. And on the right side we have the estimates. Available impressions could be 1.6 billion. Your estimated performance based on your retargeting settings, daily budget of ₹100 and bid of 2 views could be around 450 to 1.2k. Impressions around 15,000 to 43,000. Average CPV could be spent around 0.54 to 2 rupees, and 95% or 200% the budget will be spent. And unique reach to 15,000 to 43,000 people. Okay, so before creating and finalizing the campaign, we have left one point, so we can add those videos as well, related videos. This is what, whenever a person view this video that we have right now integrated into the video nest test of Adword. So if I can add 2 more videos, so I can, and number 2nd is data modeling. So this is my 2nd video that will come when a person see my base video that we have already integrated. So it's done. So we will go over here and hit create campaign, continue to campaign. So this is our ad groups, and if I click over here, so right now our video is in pending, so it is pending under review. If my video complies with the Google Ads and Google Ads policies, so it will be accepted for the promotion. And if my video is not compliant with the Google Ads, so it will be rejected. So guys, in this way you can create an effective video campaign. After this video, when this campaign will be successful, or this campaign will be running successfully in the future, I will also show the analytics, that how many visitors and how many views that I am getting from my campaign. So here you go. After a couple of hours, this video campaign has been eligible for the promotion. So right now you can see over here we have this video, and in the status you can see there is eligible written over here. After some time, the impressions and the views, so all of the stats will come over here and populate over here. And sometimes you can see the views and view rates are not available because of some certain issues, so you can download the mobile app for the Google Ads, so you can see overall of your progresses of your campaigns over there. Thank you. So thank you very much for watching this video. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel Kodegems and hit the bell icon too, so you can never miss any video.